guys, so in today's tutorial I'm going to do a review on this manicure practice hand, and I'm going to put the link to where I purchased it in the description box below. I got it from Amazon and it was only $27.50 for this. So as you can see, it has like the little description on the back where it talks about the product and benefits and two other things, just really talking about the product. So let's get started on opening it up. So I'm having a little hard time popping the plastic. So I'm gonna just take like a pencil and pop the plastic so that I can get the wrap off. Once I do that, I'm gonna just open up the box so you guys can see how this hand looks. So I recently purchased it and I just got it in the mail today. And I decided like a couple days ago that I just wanted to start practicing acrylic nails. So I asked my friend who I know does this as well, like what stuff she uses, and then she told me about this hand. So look how it is now. I'm going to take it out the box. And I actually was really impressed with how it is. It's pretty cool. And it's really sturdy as well. So as you can see, they have the hand and they come with extra nail tips. It said that on the box as well, 100 extra nail tips. And also, I don't know if the 100 is included with the 5 on the fingers, but they have like extra ones right there in the bag. And then they have this piece right here. I'm going to take out the hand so you guys can see it. Actually, I'm going to talk about the other piece later. But these are the hands, and you can see that the fingers are flexible. You can move them up and down, whatever. And then they have the nails already on there, and also like little rubber pieces. But this piece of the hand is just really like plastic or whatever, but it's really like hard, so it's good. And this piece right here, that's for you to like be able to place it on a table, to put the table between that silver part and the black part, just to help it hold on to the tables, so that when you're practicing on your hand, you have more a steady grip of the whole thing. So I'm just going to close that back up real quick. And as you can see, this black part right here, it is movable, so you can rotate the hand to wherever, like position, whatever position you want or whatever. Same thing with the fingers, of course. But yeah, so I'm gonna just put that right back in the box real quick. And once again, it comes with like extra nail beds, and they have like a few different sizes, like, but they really, you can't really tell a difference in size. They all pretty much look the same size, but I was told they have like a few different sizes, or maybe 2 sizes or whatever, but they look all the same, to be honest. Like the difference in size is not that much and it's not that noticeable. So I'm just gonna close this back up, and then in this again, I'm gonna show you the back of the box, whatever, and you see that little picture on the top. The first picture, once I stop moving the box, the first picture, that's how it like clamps onto a table. So just like I was saying, how it clamps onto the table, that little black piece, and of course the table, and then the adjustable silver piece that you can adjust to the width of your table. So in this next clip, I'm going to show you how I positioned my hand onto like a little table, so you guys can see it, and how I adjust it and move it around and all that. So you'll see it right about now. So like I said, I positioned it onto a little like end table that I have in my room, and you see it's pretty sturdy. You can move around the hand, and this I can see will be super beneficial when I'm trying to do the acrylic. And yeah, of course I didn't show you guys how the nails can pop off, but you can take the nails on and off, of course, because that's why they have the extra ones. You can take them on and off for all the fingers, and they just have like a little rectangle piece that you can insert on into the hand. They have slots for that. So you see the little black piece right there where I clamped onto the table, and it's firmly held on because I made sure that I gripped it tightly. And again, the adjustable black piece where you can move your hand around, also flip it around, everything that you can do. It's really like flexible, that piece. So this is the little hand that I got on Amazon.